Hey class, today I'm going to be reading you the book Jessica by Kevin Henkes, and it is written and illustrated by Kevin Henkes. So he both wrote the words and he drew the pictures for this book. And Kevin Henkes is one of my very favorite authors. He writes a lot of really great books for kiddos that talk about things that kiddos deal with or that kiddos do. So in this book, this little girl has a friend named Jessica, and we are going to find out some more information about Jessica. So right here is Ruthie, and she says, Jessica is my best friend. Let's find out why. Ruthie Sims didn't have a dog. She didn't have a cat, or a brother, or a sister, but Jessica was the next best thing. So Jessica lives in a house where she's the only child. She doesn't have any pets. So I want you to think, if you were in that situation, who would you play with? Jessica went wherever Ruthie went. Can you see Jessica in this picture? She says, my toes are cold too, Jessica. They went to the moon, to the playground, not too high, Jessica, to Ruthie's grandma's for the weekend. Jessica's not ready yet. I only see Ruthie in these pictures. I'm wondering if maybe Jessica is an imaginary friend. There is no Jessica, said Ruthie's parents, but there was. She ate with Ruthie. Careful, Jessica, it's too hot. She looked up books with Ruthie. Once upon a time, Jessica, and took turns stacking blocks with Ruthie, building towers. If Ruthie was mad, so was Jessica. If Ruthie was sad, so was Jessica. And if Ruthie was glad, Jessica felt exactly the same way. This sounds like a really good friend.
Yeah, Mom.
When Ruthie accidentally spilled some juice, she said that Jessica did it. She's sorry. When Ruthie's parents called the babysitter because they wanted to go to a movie one night, Ruthie said, Jessica has a stomachache and wants you to stay home. And when Ruthie turned 5, it was Jessica's 5th birthday too. There is no Jessica, said Ruthie's parents, but there was. Sleep tight, Jessica. She went to bed with Ruthie. She got up with Ruthie. Rise and shine, Jessica. And she stayed with Ruthie all the while in between. Ready or not, here I come, Jessica.
And the bear said, hello.
On the night before the first day of kindergarten, Ruthie's mother said, I think that Jessica should stay home tomorrow. Ruthie's father said, you'll meet a lot of nice children. You can make new friends. But Jessica went anyway. But she says, come on, Jessica. It'll be okay. Jessica wanted to go home so badly that Ruthie had to hold her hands and whisper to her. When the teacher announced everyone's name, Ruthie and Jessica weren't listening. Jessica crawled through a tunnel with Ruthie. Don't get lost, Jessica. She took a nap with Ruthie. I can't sleep either, Jessica. And she shared Ruthie's paintbrush during art. And on there you can see that they're not very happy. And it says Ruthie and Jessica. That's who drew it. When all the children lined up 2 by 2 to march to the bathroom, Jessica was right next to Ruthie. And everybody else is looking really, really happy except for Ruthie, don't you think? A girl came up to Ruthie and stood by her and said, Can I be your partner? She asked. Well, Ruthie didn't know what to say. My name is Jessica, this little girl said. It is, said Ruthie. The girl nodded. Mine's Ruthie, said Ruthie, smiling, and they walked down the hallway, hand in hand. Look at her smile. I think that made her happy to find a real friend. Ruthie Sims didn't have a dog. She didn't have a cat, or a brother, or a sister, but Jessica, her real friend, was even better. And that's the end.